99% of individuals are unwilling to go to any length to make their goals a reality. Everyone wants to go to paradise, but no one wants to die, as the military say. Self-discipline is at the heart of realizing any desire. Something as simple as drinking and food is a good example. It's not so much about your body as it is about your thinking. It's about taking control of your thoughts and being able to make decisions that are in your best interests. Every day, we make decisions that are not in our best interests, so if the world is attacking you, fighting you, and attempting to hold you down, you're going to kick yourself in the balls. You will prevent yourself from achieving your goals, and I believe the word discipline has a poor reputation. We consider it in terms of retribution. I'm not talking about discipline in the sense that you renounce instant gratification. I'm talking about discipline in the sense that you forego immediate gratification for the purpose of exchanging long-term self-respect. I believe that self-discipline is the definition of self-love, and that when you say you love yourself, you mean you behave in a caring manner toward yourself. All material achievement hinges on self-discipline. If you can't win the war against your own thinking, you won't be able to win the war against the rest of the world. When you say to yourself, "Man, I know you and that girl have a wonderful connection, I know you all vibe, but sure, your girl's cousin," you are expressing self-love. So I love you too much to allow you to do that. It's like you tell yourself, "Man, I know you want to eat that pizza, and it'll be delicious. You know, I can't allow you eat that dude because you'll feel like you know if you eat that pizza. I'm not going to let you eat that since I love you so much." Self-love is a state of mind. I know you have an exam on Monday, and I know you really want to go out with your friends on Saturday night, but you're not going to feel good about yourself if you fail that test. I really love you too much to let you go out tonight. Self-discipline is synonymous with self-love. If you want to be happy, you must love yourself. That means you must be disciplined in your actions. We often rely our self-esteem on what other people believe, which isn't true self-esteem. Self-esteem is supposed to be how we feel about ourselves, and I was just expressing how hazardous it is to let other people decide how you feel about yourself. It's like staring into a shattered mirror. You're going to stare in a busted broken mirror and then change your face to attempt to seem nice in this defiled smashed broken mirror, and it's just other people's opinions. There's a way to determine how we feel about ourselves. It doesn't matter whose fault it is if it's your obligation to fix it. Something has us caught in victim mode, and while you're stuck in victim mode, you're stuck in pain. Taking responsibility for your heart, life, and happiness is the path to power. It is entirely your responsibility.